that remains an allegations or just pure assertion na wala naman ebidensya or positive testimony to that effect. Ano? So, pakiusap ko nga, kung wala naman ebidensya or anyone who step forward na sila ay nabigyan ng pera, then that should not be given any weight or consideration at all.
Pero kung i-arrange po ni Congressman sa isang previous interview na I mean, and I quote po, na parang tawagan doon po isang mayor na parang alert po sa kanya, and he said na parang hindi naman na threatening daw yung conversation ko. What do you say po doon sa sinabi ni Congressman sa interview, sa sinabi niya?
Well, that still remains as an allegation. Until now, he cannot present the mayors na sinasabi niya, yung tatlong mayor. And to say na na-depress pa daw, si Kong Edsel, hindi lang pala kongresista, naging psychiatrist na rin. At sa mga paratang niya yun, until na walang may ipresenta. But what he has is just his assertion, not supported by any positive testimony from those persons na kung saan sinasabi niyang tinawagan ko nga o ano man. I was confronted with that paper, and nung pinirsinta yan sa akin, sabi ko, yan ay papel lamang at wala naman sinasabi na, dyan sa papel sinasabi mobilization fund. Wala naman sinasabi na yung mobilization fund ay pambili ng pirma. Diba? And in any movement, such as a national movement for People's Initiative, kailangan talaga ng gastos ng mga volunteers at kumakalap ng pirma. Alangan naman yung nag-iikot dyan, hindi mo pakainin o bigyan ng pamasahe o pang gasolina man lamang. In Albay, we have 700 barangays. And therefore, sa pamasahe na lang araw-araw at sa kanilang pagkain o sa pagpulong nila sa mga bawat barangay at magkumbinse ng magpipirma, syempre naman kahit papano magpapa-snack ka kung allowed or magpapakain ka. So, but that document speaks nothing. In fact, that's a mere scrap of paper that proves anything or nothing at all. Dahil una-una, yung nagpirma nga dyan, nag-receive, hindi naman pinisinta ni Manong Edsel. Pangalawa, it only speaks of mobilization funds. That does not suggest to buy signatures according sa kanyang allegation. So, siguro tigilan na natin na pakinggan si Manong Edsel dahil wala naman pinipresentang ebidensya.
But you admit, sir, that you know of this document?
I have no personal knowledge about that, but I'm just speaking and answering your query regarding that. So if you look at it, mobilization fund, does it suggest to buy signature? It does not. That's part of democratic process. Anybody can file and oppose the movement, and at the same time, kami naman ay hayaan kami to let the process work and do the procedure. The only thing that can deter us under the law is that we can only exercise this People's Initiative once every 5 years, and we can only propose amendment, not revision. And there must be an enabling law, which we have, the Republic Act 6735. So outside of that, nobody can deter or prevent the exercise of the people's right to the sovereign power to introduce amendment to the Constitution through People's Initiative.